Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install one of our wood steering wheels in a Tesla Model 3. This is one of the items that we offer, and this is real wood. It's not a sticker, it's nothing fake, it's the real deal, and it's a perfect match to the wood dash decor in your Model 3. Let's bring a car in and let me show you how easy it is to get done. But before we do that, I want to share with you a couple tools that are going to be needed. Number one, a small flathead screwdriver, something like this size. We'll show you how that's used in a moment. You'll need a 10mm socket, an extension bar, and a breaker bar. If you don't have these tools, you could purchase them at your local hardware store. They're quite affordable. Or if you're going to share this video with a professional installation shop or a body shop who can also quickly and easily perform this install, they will need these tools. Installation from start to finish only takes a few moments. Check it out. Okay, step one, we need to go ahead and remove the airbag. And in order to do that, you're going to use the little flathead screwdriver. Stick it into the hole on the passenger side of the steering column. You'll feel a little bit of tension, which is actually a metal rod. You're going to push up, and it's going to actually go ahead and release the airbag. Now we can go ahead and safely remove it. You can easily unplug it from the harness and the molex at the steering wheel. Now that the airbag is out, take a look at what I was referring to when I said when you stick in the little screwdriver, you feel that tension of that inner rod to release the airbag. So I'm showing you now what actually happened to help us release it. So that's what was happening, but again, you won't see that because the airbag would still be installed. Step two, we are now going to go ahead and unplug the harness that controls the steering wheel controls. As you can see, this is happening right now. Step three, we're going to now go ahead and take our socket, 10mm Allen head, and loosen up the actual steering wheel so that now we could take it off the car. That bolt is now coming out. The steering wheel can now easily be removed off of the steering wheel column. Okay, now we're about to go ahead and install the wood steering wheel. Before it actually gets inserted, let me point out to you two very important items. The steering wheel and the column are what we call keyed, meaning they're designed to match up with each other. So on the inside of the steering wheel, you'll actually see there's like a groove in between all those teeth. Inside there's a groove, and that lines up with that groove right over there, which really makes installation easy because it can only go on one way. Let's go ahead and install the steering wheel. Okay, now what we're going to do is basically everything that we already did, but in reverse, meaning we're going to go ahead and insert the bolt and tighten it up using the tools. After that's done, we're going to go ahead and plug in the molex module for the steering wheel controls. Okay, and now here comes the airbag. First thing, go ahead and plug it in. It only goes in one way, so no issues or concerns there. And the airbag will actually snap into place, and you'll know that it's installed properly because you'll be able to actually honk the horn. That's it. It's that simple. We're all done. Only takes a few minutes. Doesn't this wood steering wheel look absolutely great with the matching wood dash decor?